We have 8 different prime drink flavors, and there's one of me, so let's try them all. First up, we got iced pop. This kind of reminds me of Gatorade or Arctic Glacier, but with only 2 grams of sugar and 20 calories. Honestly, it looks amazing. Let's try it. That's actually amazing. It tastes like a cyclone popsicle. Honestly, give it an A. Next up, we got grape. 25 calories and 2 grams of sugar. Let's try it. I didn't know medicine was on the list. This tastes like this. If you don't know what this is, it's that. This tastes exactly like that. There's absolutely no difference at all. I'm gonna have to give it a C+. Next up, we have tropical punch. I have high expectations for this one. 0 grams of protein? That's not helping the bulk at all. Whoa. Not terrible. Okay, it's good, but not what I was hoping. I'm gonna give it a B. Don't look at me, subscribe. All right, orange time. So I don't really like orange at all, but if they make orange worse, they're done. Oh, that's pretty good. Whoa. A-. I'm back, and we're gonna try out lemon lime. Let's go. Not bad. Too much sugar, even for a kid, but it's good. B+. Now we're on the final 3. This is Meta Moon. Let's go. What is this flavor supposed to be? I don't think Moon has a flavor. I'm gonna give this a B-. That's sugar water. What the heck, man? I am most excited for this one. Blue raspberry. They all have 25 calories or less. Does it look like I'm cutting? They all taste the same. This was very sad. B+. The grand finale, the one that came out a couple of weeks ago, strawberry watermelon. The finale. I'll give that a C+. All right, let's rank them. Best, we got ice pop, then orange, then lemon lime, then tropical punch, then blue raspberry, then Meta Moon, then grape, and then strawberry watermelon.